I want to invite you to the November 19th and the December 17th workshops. They're going to be a lot of fun. We're going to give information that you probably don't know. There'll be a link, and the link is not down, so save it. We might set out another one, but save this link. And we're going to talk to you about interesting things that you really don't know. And that's about, like, for instance, your insurance company won't tell you that if you have running headlights, that you can get a lower rate. If you have anti-lock brakes, you can get a lower rate. If you have airbags, you can get a lower rate. If you're in a certain zip code, you can get a lower rate. And if you don't get tickets either, and watching out for tickets is something that would be important to you, because like if it's raining in Sweden, you'll get a ticket if you don't have your headlights on. So, and I know what you're thinking. You know, how are we going to know, when it's raining in Sweden? There should be an app for that or something, because otherwise, who wants a ticket for, running without the headlights when it's raining, in Sweden? So we had Social Security came last time, and then told us about the latest scams. Heather from Eris came, and there's a new and improved, interface, and we have to get in. And in-home therapy, I know that there's 3 people that we know of that said they're going to sign up, with in-home therapy. Medicare was there, and you're seeing it on television now. We got people that will come, to your home, sit across the table safely, and then tell you about what your options are, so you can figure out what's best for you. That's important. The computer guy came there. There's a computer club that is going to just knock your socks off all the things that they do. It's extremely $15, I think, to join the club. And our friend Rick is there. He helps people with all various problems with homes, etc. So join us. That's going to be on the 19th of November, and then the December 17th. So come and join us. You're going to remember, love thy neighbor loves you.